Welcome back, curious minds. Google just released a 12 billion parameter model that runs on a laptop with 16 gigabytes of memory. It handles text, images, and audio natively. And the engineering trick that makes it possible is they removed the encoder entirely. Let me explain why that's a bigger deal than it sounds, and what it means for running AI locally. Gemma 412 billion is Google DeepMind's latest open-weight model, released June 3rd. 12 billion parameters. Text, image, and audio input. Text output. Apache 2.0 license. Fully permissive, commercially usable. It sits in the middle of the Gemma 4 family. More capable than the edge-optimized E2B and E4B models designed for phones and IoT devices, but lighter than the 26 billion parameter mixture of experts, or the 31 billion dense variant. The pitch is straightforward. Flagship-style multimodal reasoning on hardware you actually own. The benchmarks back it up. 77.2 on MMLU Pro, 89.2 on AIME 2026 Mathematics, 84.3 on GPQA Diamond, 80.0 on Live Code Bench V6. Google says it beats the older Gemma 327 billion across the board, a model with more than twice the parameters. And the memory footprint tells the story. 26.7 gigabytes in full bfloat 16, 13.4 gigabytes in SFP 8, 6.7 gigabytes in Q40 quantization. That means a quantized version runs on 8 gigabytes of VRAM. A MacBook Air with an M5 chip can support the full model. Now, the engineering breakthrough that makes this possible. And this is the part that matters most for understanding where local AI is heading. Traditional multimodal models work like this. You have a language model at the center, and you bolt on separate encoders for each modality. A vision encoder, typically a SIGLIP-style transformer of around 550 million parameters, processes images. An audio encoder processes sound. Each encoder runs its own preprocessing pipeline, converts the data into embeddings, and feeds them into the language model. This architecture works, but it has three costs. Latency. The encoders add processing time before the language model even starts. Memory? You're loading multiple model components simultaneously. And complexity, each encoder is a separate system that needs maintenance and optimization. Gemma 412 billion eliminates all three. For vision, Google replaced the 550 million parameter encoder with a 35 million parameter embedding module. A single matrix multiplication. Positional embedding. Normalization. That's it! Visual signals feed directly into the language model backbone. For audio, they went further. The audio encoder is gone entirely. Raw audio signals map directly into the same dimensional space as text tokens through a projection operation. No intermediate processing, no separate model. Just raw audio becoming tokens. The result is a unified architecture where all three modalities, text, images, audio, flow through the same processing pipeline. Lower latency, lower memory usage, fewer moving parts, and a model that can run on consumer hardware because it's not carrying 500 million parameters of encoder overhead. So what does this actually look like in practice? Community testing on an RTX 4060, a mid-range consumer GPU, gets 21 tokens per second. On an RTX 5090, 132 tokens per second. And here's the multi-agent sweet spot. 16 parallel agents running at 64 tokens per second each. That's meaningful throughput for batch processing or complex workflows. The multi-token prediction system, called MTP, is another piece of the puzzle. Instead of generating one token at a time, the model predicts multiple future tokens simultaneously. Google says this delivers 3 times faster inference compared to standard autoregressive generation. The model essentially drafts ahead and then validates, cutting the total generation time significantly. And the quantization-aware training, QAT, means the model was trained to be compressed, not compressed after the fact, but optimized during training for low-bit inference. The Q4 quantized version fits in under 1 gigabyte of weight storage while maintaining performance that beats the older, much larger Gemma 327B. Let me mention something that's easy to overlook. 256,000 tokens of context. That's enough to process an entire codebase in a single prompt. A full-length research paper, hours of audio, multi-image analyses with dozens of high-resolution images. And the model handles it all natively. No chunking, no summarization, no workarounds. For developers building on this, the context window changes what's possible with local AI. You can feed an entire repository into the model and ask architectural questions. You can process a complete document set and extract cross-references. You can analyze video frames across a long sequence and maintain coherence. 256,000 tokens on a laptop. 12 billion parameters. Apache 2.0 license. The math on this was unthinkable 18 months ago. Let me be direct. If you're a developer who's been running larger models through API calls because local options weren't good enough, Gemma 412 billion changes the calculus. The quality is there, the multimodal capability is there, and the cost is zero beyond the hardware you already own. If you're building edge applications, robot security systems, IoT devices, the E4B variant has been shown running on Raspberry Pi and NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano. But the 12 billion model with quantization runs on devices with 8 gigabytes of VRAM. That opens up entirely new categories of local AI applications. And if you're just someone who wants to experiment with a capable multimodal model without sending your data to the cloud, Apache 2.0, local deployment, no API keys, no usage limits? Download it from Hugging Face, run it through AIME, and start building. Because I believe in intellectual honesty, here's what Gemma 412 billion isn't. It's not a frontier model. The 31 billion dense variant and the 26 billion MOE both outperform it on raw capability. The 12 billion is optimized for efficiency, not maximum intelligence. Community testing has shown some quirks. Occasional syntax errors in code generation, extra closing brackets or parentheses, function definitions separated by commas. These are minor but noticeable in structured output tasks. And while Apache 2.0 is permissive, the model's training data composition isn't fully documented. If you need complete transparency for regulated industries, you'll need to evaluate that separately. But for the vast majority of use cases, local development, experimentation, prototyping, edge deployment, these limitations are far outweighed by what the model delivers. Here's the bottom line, curious minds. Gemma 412 billion isn't just another open-weight model release. It's a proof point for a different architecture. Encoder-free, unified, efficient. The result is a model that beats older, larger models while running on consumer hardware. The 35 million parameter vision module replacing a 550 million parameter encoder. Audio feeding directly into the language model without a separate processing pipeline. Multi-token prediction cutting inference time by 3 times. Quantization-aware training making compression a feature, not a compromise. This is what local AI was supposed to look like. Capable, multimodal, and actually usable on the hardware you have sitting on your desk. Link in description for the Hugging Face repository. And I'll see you in the next one. Off you go! But don't wander too far.